Frontline Image. On this episode, we're here in Duncan at the A&W, where we're going to capture a cool car show. We've got a lot of awesome cars that we've seen before, but we're going to review them or recheck them out. Welcome to Frontline Image. On this episode, we're here in downtown Duncan at the A&W, where we've got the annual A&W Car Show. There's a bunch of cars that we're going to check out, and a bunch of cool people that we already know and have engaged with before, and we'll see what they're up to. Check it out. So that's all underneath.
People getting high, people getting low, people getting nowhere 'cause they don't know where to go.
Wow, wire wheels and everything. Yeah, no kidding. Every little scope. We're not sitting on. Dave. I don't know where his car is. What did you bring? Nice looking machine. And actually, wow, that wraps it up for Frontline Image here at Duncan's A&W Car Show. It was pretty cool. So many cool cars. Not so many, but a lot of neat rides. That's what it's cool. And talking with friends, it's good times. See you soon.